Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be on my September Boxycharm. I'm excited, but then I'm kind of disappointed because I wanted Boxy looks and it was a whole big thing. The link didn't work out for me. It was saying error every single time I did it. And yeah, so I just got my regular box this month. Hopefully in December I get the Boxy looks. So I'm just like praying and hoping, but I'm still excited for the items that I received. I want to try them out. And I am sorry if you hear any background noise. They're doing construction like right outside and it's cool outside, so I have my windows open so it's like you can hear everything. So I'm sorry about that. But yeah, let's just get right into this. The first thing, of course, is the card. Well, the pamphlet now. This month's Boxy theme is Wildflower. Oh yes, I love it, Wildflower. Like, and then right on the bottom are the Boxy babes for this month. And then when you open it, you have all the items you have in your box. Let's get right into this because I want to try this out. So the first thing I am seeing are these brushes right here. This is the brush set from Alamar Cosmetics. Retail price $18. Made with 100% synthetic fibers, these brushes are extremely soft, durable, and essential to your brush collection. The flat painter brush effortlessly applies color onto your lids, while the fluffy blender brush can be used to seamlessly blend colors together. The flat, tight liner brush is perfect for direct color application on your lash lines. I love the color of the handle and then like the rose gold on top. It's just like the detail on this is gorgeous. The bristles itself feel so soft. I'm just like so excited. I love getting brushes. It's just like you can never have too many brushes at all. I just want to hurry up and use them. So we do have an eyeshadow palette in the box as well, so I'm going to be using these brushes, and this is from Pretty Vulgar. It's the Nightingale Smokey eyeshadow palette. Retail price $35. Made up with 12 highly pigmented shades, the Nightingale palette is sure to help you create your best looks. The matte, shimmer, and satin shades are soft in texture, and the luxuriously smooth formula makes for easy blending and long wear. I am actually liking the packaging. I mean, it's kind of thick, but I like it. It gives me some type of vintage vibes, princess vibe for some reason. I don't know. I'm just really liking it. This is like a full palette. The only thing, when I look at this, it looks really nice, but the details you can actually see, I don't know if you can tell, but there is like the gaps between the pan and the cardboard itself. It looks like it was not placed right. What I'm worried about is the shades on how they present themselves. I'm not going to go into detail with what I'm doing. I'm just going to point to the shadows and then you're going to see me do this. And of course, I'm going to be using the brushes that I received as well. Prime my eyes already with my concealer, and now we're gonna go in. I'm going to do my face off camera, foundation, maybe foundation. I'm getting into the habit of not doing a lot of foundation, just a little bit concealer and keep it going. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna do my face and I'll be back. I'm done using the palette and the brushes. Okay, I want to talk about the brushes first. These brushes are freaking amazing. I love this brush, like to get really close to my lash line. It's amazing. The description said that this is good to blend the colors together, the shadows together. I use this to apply my shadows all over my lid, in my crease and my outer corner. And the reason why I like this is because it's flat but fluffy and it's round on the top. So this is amazing and perfect to go right in the crease. This brush right here is great to apply some shadow on the lid, to pack on the lid, and also to highlight your brow bone and also your inner corner. I only use these three. Well, actually also this one as well, but mostly I use these three for my whole eyes, and it did a great job. Wonderful job. Loving it. No complaints. Next, this palette. I love the detail on this, but like I said earlier, I just don't like how you can see like the little gaps between the shadow and the cardboard. It's like it's not, they didn't place it right. That's the only thing that's like it throws me off a little bit. The only thing with this is that you just have to pack it on to get some type of pigment. I use these two up here and these two right here. Four that I used, I like them. This one right here is great for a highlight. You can do something light or smoky. This satin one here, once you apply it to your lid, you see the payoff of the shadow. The ones that you do have to work with are the two that I used right here, the matte ones. Those are the ones that you have to really use and be patient with, because you have to really pack them on and blend them so you can see pigment and it won't look so like harsh and patchy. You have to have patience. You have to pack on and blend. Now let's move on, and I'm going to grab this little thing right here. The next item is this right here. It's the Butter London Glazen Lustrous Liner. Retail price $19. It says define and shine with the Glazen Lustrous Liner, a soft metallic long wear liquid liner that glides on with effortless precision, crafted with a liquid luster complex. This weightless liner contains radiant sparkle to enhance eyes with a super fine shine. The brush looks good. I'm used to matte eyeliners, so this is like a little different for me. I'm not doing any type of wing. I'm just going to outline the top, a thin line. What I really like about this liner is that the tip is so fine and thin that it's so good to do the wing at the end. I'm not great at doing liners, so it's not like wonderful with anything like that. The only thing I just don't like about it is that the glitter, when I was applying it, I went over it again and it kind of like came off a little bit, so I had to wait till it dried up and then apply a little bit more. I have to get used to the shine. I'm used to matte liner, so that's the only thing. Next is this right here. So this is the Laura Geller Baked Blush-N-Brighten, like from Friends, Monica and Ross Geller. Retail price $28. Add a gorgeous glowy flush to your cheeks with this baked blush. Stunning swirls of liquid pigments are baked in Italy for 24 hours on terracotta tiles and hand fined into a silky dome of powder. This smooth and long-wearing formula is paraben-free and infused with skin-loving antioxidants. I feel fancy with this in my hand. Oh. Okay, so a lot of fallout. Yeah.
That was a lot of fallout. I was not expecting that. It scared the crap out of me.
I just used a little because I didn't want to overdo it. I'm liking this. It's just, the only thing is just be careful when you dip your brush in. It is very powdery and it goes everywhere. I have to clean it. It gives a glowy flush to the cheeks. Next and last in the box is this right here, Hank & Henry liquid lipstick. Retail price $17. I like the packaging. Oh, look it. That's like a little owl here. The matte liquid lipstick petal pusher. So it says have your cake and wear it too. This frosty scented long wearing liquid lipstick glides on smoothly. Wow, its vitamin E infused formula gives your lips the youthful look they deserve. It's highly pigmented and dries to a stunning full coverage matte finish that never dries your lips and never transfers. Did you say never? Because never, like what? Really? Oh, okay. Oh my, this smells so good. Okay, Okay, this right here. One, the smell is so amazing. Oh my god, it just made me so hungry. I like the color. It has like a triangle applicator, and that is so wonderful to outline your lips because it's like flat. So the applicator and the smell is like two things I'm just like oof about. Overall pricing of September's box is $117. So that concludes my September Boxycharm. I hope you guys enjoyed and this was helpful. If you have any comments, comment below. If you have Boxycharm, please let me know down below what you received, what you like and dislike. If you don't, I will leave the link down below so you can subscribe to Boxycharm. And yeah, I'll see you next time, guys. Bye. Flat painter blush, what? And this month, and the months, and the